So now let us go ahead and let us configure another network. Let's go ahead and let's start with 6 routers. And multiple switches. And PCs and computers. Some laptops. And maybe one server. All right. And let me configure serial interfaces. 1, 2, router number 4. Router number 5. And router number 6. And router number 7. And also let's change the name. Some of the names are a little off. Let me call it PC. Okay, let me start from here. So let me call this PC0. PC, to get names not allowed. So, okay, let me do, so let me keep PC0 first. Okay, so let me change this name to PC0. It's not going to be allowed. When did I place it? So I'm going to just change it to PC0. If this PC0, then I think I may not be able to see it, but it may still be there, right? Okay. No wonder. So let me just go ahead and let me cross it all out. Cross, and let me now scroll in. Then let me go ahead and let me change the names now. So this is PC0, PC1. Then we have PC number 2, PC number 3, and PC number 4. Okay, PC number 4. No, this is PC5. Okay, and that's it. So PC5. Okay, I think I have a PC5 somewhere which I cannot see. Somewhere here that I don't see. Where is PC5? Oh, here. So this is actually PC number 4. Okay, and this is PC number 5. Okay. All right, so with that, let us now go ahead and let's start joining the interfaces. And let me get one more laptop. So I'm going to place another laptop here. Let's connect the interfaces now. So let me start with PC0 connected to fast Ethernet 11. Laptop 7 connected to fast Ethernet 1. PC1 connected to fast Ethernet 21. This is connected to G0 by 0. G0 by 1 is connected to S2. In fact, we need to just mark them correctly. I think let me call it R1, 2, R3, R4, R5, R6. And let me call the switches switch 1, switch 2, so switch 3, switch 5, and switch 4. Okay, let me quickly connect this. So this is fast Ethernet 0 by 1, fast Ethernet 0 by 12, and fast Ethernet 0 by 22. Then let me connect the serial interfaces. So let me connect the serial interface 0 by 0 by 0 to serial interface 0 by 0 by 0, serial interface 0 by 0 by 1 with serial interface 0 by 0 by 1, serial interface 0 by 0 by 0 connected to serial interface 0 by 0 by 0, serial interface 0 by 1 by 0 connected to S0 by 0 by 1, serial interface 0 by 1 connected to serial interface 0 by 1 by 1, serial interface 0 by 1 by 0 connected to serial interface 0 by 1 by 0. Then let us finish the connectivity for the laptops. I'm going to put this one to fast Ethernet 21. This one for fast Ethernet 11. Put this one to fast Ethernet 0, 1. Further, S5 is connected to G0 by 0. PC2 is connected to fast Ethernet 1. Fast Ethernet 0 by 13. Fast Ethernet 0 by 23. G0 by 1 is connected to the switch. G0 by 1 is connected to the switch. C3. 1, 2. Then fast Ethernet 022, 2. Fast Ethernet 0. So all connections are now formed. Let's start configuring. You will configure the PCs and the laptops first. We'll start with PC number 0. Right. 92.168.1.10. 192.168.1.1. PC number 1. 192.168.1.1. 11 actually. 192.168.1.1. Then let me configure laptop number 7. 192.168.1.17. 192.168.1.1. 192.168.5.52. 192.168.5.1. Server is 192.168.5.3. 92.168.5.1. Laptop number 3 is 192.168.5.53. 192.168.5.1. In fact, we can maybe change it a little bit. I can keep PC number 2 to have, yeah, 52 is fine. Then let us go to PC number 5. Let me have it as 192.168.4.45. 192.168.4.1. Laptop number 6 is 192.168.4.47. 192.168.4.1. Similarly, laptop number 5 is 192.168.4.46. Or in this case, laptop number 5 is 46. 192.168.4.1. Similarly, let us go to PC number 5, which we have already done, right, which is 45. Okay. Then let us go to laptop 0. 192.168.2.20. 192.168.2.1. 192.168.2.21. 192.168.2.1. Similarly, 192.168.2.22. 192.168.2.1. Then I have PC number 3. 192.168.3.33. 192.168.3.1. PC number 4. 192.168.3.30. 44. 192.168.3.1. Laptop number or 192.168.3.34. 192.168.1. Okay. Okay. All right. And then I believe let's go ahead and let's start configuring the different switches. So I'll start with switch number 1. Enable conf t host name S1. In fact, we are going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put no IP domain lookup. And there I will do interface VLAN 1 IP address 192.168.1.2, 255.255.255.0, no shut, exit IP default gateway 192.168.1.1, exit copy running config startup config. Similarly, I'm gonna go to enable conf t host name s2 no IP domain lookup interface VLAN 1 IP address 192.168.2.2 255.255.255.0 no shut exit IP default gateway is 192.168.2.1 exit copy running config startup config. Let me just go back here and just check. Okay, right. So then let us go to S. Okay, let's go to S3 first. Enable conf t host name S3 no IP domain lookup interface VLAN 1 IP address 192.168.3.2 255.255.255.0 no shut exit IP default gateway 192.168.3.2 255.255.255.0. Oh, sorry. Let me in fact just keep it to 3.1. Exit copy running config startup config. Similarly, S4 enable conf t host name S4 interface no IP domain lookup interface VLAN 1 IP address 192.168.4.2 255.255.255.0 no shut exit IP default gateway 192.168.4.1 exit copy running config startup config. Similarly, S5 enable conf t host name S5 no IP domain lookup interface VLAN 1 IP ADD 192.168.5.2 255.255.255.0 no shut exit IP default gateway 192.168.5.1 exit copy running config startup config. Next, let us start configuring the routers. So for that, let us start with enable conf t router. So let me do host name R1 no IP domain lookup interface G0 by 0 190 IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0 no shut exit interface G0 by 1 IP address 192.168.2.1 255.255.255.0 no shut exit interface S0 by 0 by 0 IP address 172.16.12.1, 255.255.255 or 252. No shut, exit. And now let us also, since we are already here, we are also going to configure the routing for that. Let us do router OSPF 1 network 192.168.1.0 0.0.0.255 area 0 network 192.168.2.0 0.0.0.255 area 0 network 172.16.12.0 0.0.0.3 area 0 and copy running config startup config. All right. Similarly, let us go to R2. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna, I think my mistake, I missed it. So let's go to R3 because it will take a few minutes to switch it on. So let me go back to R3 right now. I'll do enable conf t host name R3 no IP domain lookup interface S0 by 0 by 0 S0 by 0 by 0 IP address 172.16.34.1 255.255.255.252 no shut interface S0 by 0 by 1 IP address 172.16.23.2 255.255.255.252 no shut. Okay, and then let us do router OSPF 1 network 172.16.34.0 0.0.0.3 area 0 network 172.16.23.0 0.0.0.3 area 0 and copy and running config startup config. Let's go back to R2, enable conf t hostname R2 no IP domain lookup interface S0 by 0 by 0 IP address 172.16.12.2 255.255.255.252 no shut interface S0 by 0 by 0 by 1 IP address 172.16.12.2 255.255 no this is 23.1 255.255.255.252 no shut interface S0 by 1 by 0 IP address 172.16.24.1 255.255.255.252 no shut. Okay, and then let me do router OSPF 1 network 172.16.12.0 0.0.0.33 area 0 network 172.16.23.0 0.0.0.3 area 0 network 172.16.12.0 16.24.0.0.0.0.3 area 0 and copy config startup config, and then let me go to R4, enable conf t host name R4, no IP domain lookup interface S0 by 0 by 0 by 0 IP address 172.16.34.2 255.255.255.252 no shut interface S0 by 0 by 1 IP address 172.16.24.2 255.255.255.252 no shut interface S0 by 1 by 0 IP address 172.16.45.1 255.255.255.252 no shut interface S0 by 1 by 1 IP address 172.16.46.1 255.255.255.252 no shut exit router OSPF 1 network 172.16.34.0.0.0.3 area 0 network 172.16.24.0.0.0.3 area 0 network 172.16.45.0.0.0.3 area 0 network 172.16.46.0 sorry 46.0.0.0.0.3 area 0 end copy running config copy running config startup config. Next, let's go to R5, enable conf t host name R5 no IP domain lookup. All right, so this is no shut to bring it up. Then let us go to interface S0 by 1 by 0 IP address 172.16.45.2, right? 255.255.255.252. No shut exit OSPF, sorry, router OSPF 1. Okay. Network 192.168.3.0, 0.0.0.255, area 0, network 172.16.45.0, 0.0.0.3, area 0, and copy running config, startup config. Right. Finally, let us go to R6. Okay, let us switch it on. Switch it on. Yeah. Meanwhile, we can just try out something from the just close it off. So from laptop number 3, let me go to the command prompt. Let me do ping to 192.168.2.20. And let's see what this is going on. All right, so that we can understand. So it is pinging. All right, so it works. Let's go ahead and let us do the last router. No. So once again, this is enable conf t host name R6. No, IP domain lookup interface G0 by 0 IP address 192.168.5.1 255.255.255.0. No, shut interface G0 by 1 IP address 192.168.4.1 255.255.255.0. No, shut interface S0 by 1 by 1 IP address 172.16.46.2 255.255.255.252. No, shut exit router OSPF 1 network 192.168.5.0 0.0.0.255 area 0 network 192.168.4.0 0.0.0.3 area 0 network 172.16.46. No. .46.0 0.0.0.3 area 0 no network 192.168.4.0 0.0.3 area 0 and network 192.168.4.0 0.0.255 area 0. And I will do end, copy, running config, startup config. All right. So I'm going to stop here first.